Earth is home to millions of species, but few command as much respect, awe, and mystery as the elephant. For centuries, we viewed them simply as giants of the wild. But modern science is revealing a stunning truth. These creatures possess an emotional depth, intelligence, and societal structure that rivals our own. From hidden communication networks to evolutionary superpowers, their world is far more complex than it seems. Welcome to a deep dive into the secret, extraordinary lives of elephants. Prepare to see the world's largest land mammals in a way you have never seen them before. Let's start with their most iconic feature, the trunk. It's not just a nose, it's an anatomical masterpiece. An elephant's trunk contains over 150,000 individual muscle units, with absolutely no bones. To put that in perspective, the entire human body has only about 640 muscles. This incredible tool can pluck a single blade of grass or easily snap a massive tree branch in half. It also serves as a giant straw, capable of holding up to 2 gallons of water at a single time. Then there are the tusks, which are actually enormously elongated incisor teeth that grow throughout their lives. Just like humans are left-handed or right-handed, elephants are actually left-tusked or right-tusked. You can tell which one they prefer because their dominant tusk is usually shorter and more worn down from use. Next, look at those massive ears. They aren't just for hearing, they are a highly advanced cooling system. Pumping blood through the thin skin of their ears allows them to drop their body temperature by several degrees. And despite weighing up to 7 tons, elephants walk almost completely silently. Their feet are cushioned by a thick layer of fatty, fibrous tissue that acts like high-tech shock absorbers. But those unique feet do something even more extraordinary. They allow elephants to talk through the earth. Elephants produce ultra-low frequency sounds called infrasound, which are completely undetectable to human ears. These sounds travel through the ground as seismic vibrations, moving faster than sound travels through the air. By using special nerve endings in their feet, other herds can detect these vibrations from over 20 miles away. This allows them to warn each other of danger, coordinate movements, or even find potential mates across vast distances. This seismic radar is so sensitive that elephants can detect a thunderstorm days before it arrives. They will suddenly change direction, marching toward rain that is still dozens of miles away. It's a survival mechanism that keeps them alive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Proving that their connection to nature operates on a frequency we are only beginning to understand. The phrase, "an elephant never forgets," isn't a myth. It is a profound biological reality. Elephants possess the largest brain of any land mammal, with a highly developed temporal lobe. The herd is led by the oldest female, the matriarch. Her memory is the ultimate map for survival. During severe droughts, she can recall a specific watering hole she visited only once, decades ago in her childhood. But their minds hold more than just maps. They hold deep, complex emotions. Elephants are one of the few non-human species known to experience grief, mourning, and ritualistic burial. When a member of the herd dies, the family will stand in silent vigil around the body for days. They have even been observed covering deceased family members with dirt, leaves, and branches. This capacity for empathy extends beyond their own species. There are countless documented cases of wild elephants protecting humans, or helping other animals in distress. They also possess self-awareness, easily recognizing themselves in mirrors, a test that most animals fail. This places their cognitive abilities in a rare tier, alongside dolphins, chimpanzees, and humans. For all their power, elephants have some incredibly surprising limitations and quirks. For instance, they are the only mammal on the planet that cannot jump. Their massive weight and downward-facing bone structure mean they are permanently grounded. But what they lack in agility on land, they more than make up for in the water. Elephants are phenomenal swimmers, capable of swimming for 6 hours without a single break. They use their trunks as built-in snorkels, allowing them to breathe effortlessly while submerged. And despite their thick skin, elephants are incredibly prone to sunburn. To protect themselves from the harsh sun and biting insects, they coat themselves in mud, their own natural sunscreen. Without these regular mud baths, their sensitive skin can dry out, crack, and become painfully damaged. Elephants are not just residents of their environment, they are its creators. They are keystone species. By knocking over trees and clearing pathways through dense brush, they create natural fire breaks and clearings. This allows sunlight to reach the ground, prompting new plant growth that feeds smaller animals. During dry seasons, they use their powerful tusks to dig deep into dry riverbeds, uncovering hidden water sources. These newly dug water holes become a lifeline for dozens of other animal species who would otherwise die of thirst. They are also vital seed dispersers. An elephant eats hundreds of pounds of plants daily, traveling miles before digesting it. The seeds they deposit are perfectly fertilized, spreading new plant life across entire ecosystems. Simply put, without elephants, entire landscapes across Africa and Asia would completely collapse. Yet, these magnificent engineers face catastrophic threats from habitat loss and illegal poaching. Protecting elephants is not just about saving a single animal, it is about preserving the biodiversity of our entire planet. They remind us that true strength is gentle, and that intelligence in nature runs deeper than we can fathom. Thank you for exploring the hidden world of elephants. If you want to protect and learn more about Earth's wildlife, subscribe and share this journey.